Have you ever walked into a restaurant but didn't know what to say? Don't worry. Let's learn real restaurant English together. Let's begin. This is a restaurant. A restaurant is a place where people come to eat food. People come here with family, friends, coworkers, or by themselves. Look at this building. This is a restaurant. Repeat after me. Restaurant. Restaurant. Excellent. Now let's walk inside. Before you enter, you need to know this word. Entrance. This is the entrance. Everyone enters through the entrance. Repeat after me. Entrance. Entrance. Great job. Now, the door opens. Welcome inside. This area is called the dining area. People sit here and enjoy their meals. Look around. There are many tables. This is a table. Repeat after me. Table. Table. Excellent. People sit on chairs. This is a chair. Repeat after me. Chair. Chair. Very good. Now look at the table. You can see a plate. Food is served on a plate. Repeat after me. Plate. Plate. Excellent. Next. This is a fork. People eat with a fork. Repeat after me. Fork. Fork. Great. This is a knife. People use a knife to cut food. Repeat after me. Knife. Knife. Excellent. This is a spoon. People use a spoon for soup or rice. Repeat after me. Spoon. Spoon. Very good. Excellent. You have learned your first restaurant English words. In the next part, you'll meet the people who work in a restaurant. Let's continue. Now let's meet the people who work in a restaurant. As soon as you walk in, the first person you usually meet is the host. This is the host. The host welcomes customers. The host helps you find a table. Repeat after me. Host. Host. Excellent. Now listen carefully. Welcome. Good evening. How many people? You'll hear these sentences very often. Don't worry. You'll learn how to answer them later in this lesson. Now, let's meet another person. This is the waiter. The waiter takes your order. The waiter brings your food and drinks. Repeat after me. Waiter. Waiter. Excellent. Sometimes you'll also hear another word. This is the waitress. A waitress does the same job as a waiter. Repeat after me. Waitress. Waitress. Excellent. Now, who cooks the food? This is the chef. The chef prepares delicious meals in the kitchen. Repeat after me. Chef. Chef. Excellent. Now, who is eating? This is the customer. The customer orders food. The customer enjoys the meal. Repeat after me. Customer. Customer. Excellent. Now, after eating, it's time to pay. This is the cashier. The cashier gives you the bill. The cashier takes your payment. Repeat after me. Cashier. Cashier. Excellent. Quick review. Who welcomes customers? The host. Who takes your order? The waiter. Who cooks the food? The chef. Who orders the food? The customer. Who takes your payment? The cashier. Excellent. Now you're ready to learn something every customer uses. Let's continue. You're sitting at your table now. Look carefully. What's the first thing you see? It's called a menu. The menu shows all the food and drinks you can order. Repeat after me. Menu. Menu. Excellent. Now look at the glass. This is a glass. People drink water, juice, or soda from a glass. Repeat after me. Glass. Glass. Very good. Next. This is a napkin. A napkin helps you clean your hands and mouth while eating. Repeat after me. Napkin. Napkin. Excellent. Now, it's time to eat. This is your meal. A meal is the food you eat. Breakfast is a meal. Lunch is a meal. Dinner is a meal. Repeat after me. Meal. Meal. Great. What do you drink with your meal? A drink. Water is a drink. Coffee is a drink. Tea is a drink. Juice is a drink. Repeat after me. Drink. Drink. Excellent. After your meal, maybe you want something sweet. This is called dessert. Ice cream is a dessert. Cake is a dessert. Pie is a dessert. Repeat after me. Dessert. Dessert. Wonderful. Now let's learn another important word. When you're ready to eat, you order your food. Repeat after me. Order. Order. Great. Sometimes before you visit a restaurant, you call ahead and book a table. This is called a reservation. Repeat after me. Reservation. Reservation. Excellent. Now imagine, you've finished your meal. What happens next? The waiter brings you the bill. The bill shows how much money you need to pay. Repeat after me. Bill. Bill. Excellent. After you pay, you receive a receipt. A receipt is proof of your payment. Repeat after me. Receipt. Receipt. Excellent. In the United States, many customers also leave a tip. A tip is extra money to thank the server for good service. Repeat after me. Tip. Tip. Amazing. Quick review. What do you read before ordering? The menu. What do you order? Food and drinks. What do you receive before paying? The bill. What do you receive after paying? The receipt. Excellent. Now you're ready for the most useful part of this lesson. Listen, you'll learn carefully. These are the most common expressions you'll hear in an American restaurant. Good evening. Repeat after me. Good evening. Excellent. Welcome. All right. Repeat after me. Welcome. All right. Great. How many people? This means how many people are eating with you? Repeat after me. How many people? Excellent. 2, please. Repeat after me. 2, please. Very good. Please follow me. Repeat after me. Please follow me. Excellent. Here is your table. Repeat after me. Here is your table. Great. Thank you. Repeat after me. Thank you. Excellent. Now the waiter comes to your table. Here is the menu. Repeat after me. Here is the menu. Very good. Would you like something to drink? Repeat after me. Would you like something to drink? Excellent. Water, please. Repeat after me. Water, please. Great. Are you ready to order? Repeat after me. Are you ready to order? Excellent. Yes, I would like a cheeseburger, please. Repeat after me. I would like a cheeseburger, please. Very good. Anything else? Repeat after me. Anything else? Excellent. No, thank you. Repeat after me. No, thank you. Great. After the meal, the waiter returns. Here is your bill. Repeat after me. Here is your bill. Excellent. Can I pay by card? Repeat after me. Can I pay by card? Very good. Of course. Repeat after me. Of course. Excellent. Great. Now, let's see if you can understand a complete restaurant conversation. This time, just listen. Don't repeat. Good evening. Welcome. Good evening. How many people? 2, please. Please follow me. Thank you. Here is your table. Thank you. Here is the menu. Thank you. Would you like something to drink? Yes, water, please. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger and fries, please. Anything else? No, thank you. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Here is your bill. Can I pay by card? Of course. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Listening challenge. Now, let's see how much you remember. Listen and answer. Question 1. The host asks, how many people? What is the customer's answer? 2, please. Excellent. Question 2. The waiter asks, would you like something to drink? What is the customer order? Water, please. Great. Question 3. The waiter asks, anything else? What is the customer's answer? No, thank you. Excellent. Quick review. Today you learned restaurant, entrance, table, chair, plate, fork, knife, spoon, menu, chef, host, waiter, customer, cashier, order, reservation, drink, dessert, bill, receipt, tip. Excellent work. Next, you'll learn how to order food in English with confidence. See you in the next lesson.